Hello everyone! Welcome back with us to Military Report today. In this video, we will talk about the F-18 Super Hornet fighter. Rumored to be in the near future, will soon be used by the Ukrainian Air Force. Finally, the Australian government plans to send dozens of F-18 Hornet fighter bombers to Ukraine. Get to know the F-18 Super Hornet. What is the greatness of the fighter jets sent by Australia? Let's look at the following brief review. According to information, the estimated number of F-18s that Ukraine will receive is about 41 units, out of a total of 46 that have not flown since November 30th, 2021, after 40 years of operation. The Royal Australian Air Force, RAAF, officially stopped using the fighter jet. Australia, which is providing F-18s to Ukraine, would be a useful option in combat, rather than being stored in warehouses that would become piles of rubbish, or as originally planned or resold to the US. In this case, the US as the owner of the intellectual property rights of the Super Hornet fighter, which supports and expresses its approval to supply the fleet to Ukraine. Royal Australian Air Force F-18s are still in good condition. Due to maintenance and never operate again, Ukrainian pilots and ground crews can quickly upgrade, fly, and operate the F-18 with training manuals into the Ukrainian language to be produced. The Ukrainian Air Force, which flies the F-18s, can assist and compete against advanced Russian fighter jets in the air to defend and prevent attacks on Ukrainian city areas in the countryside and critical infrastructure. Equipped with advanced avionics and sensors, the F-18 can provide enhanced situational awareness to pilots in performing a variety of air-to-air, air-to-surface, and reconnaissance combat missions, thus making it easier to find and engage targets. Known for its high maneuverability, the F-18 can dodge attacks from enemies quickly. The Ukrainians are eager for this fighter jet, as it will provide an upgrade to their air force, compared to the Soviet-era MiG-29 and Su-27 fighters still in use today. Equipped with twin-engine General Electric F for O for GE for O to turbofans, the F-18 can travel at Mach 1.8 or 1,950 km per hour at altitude, making it one of the best military aircraft in the world. With excellence, in case of problems with one engine, it can still be re-aired. The addition of F-18s to Ukraine's Air Force will make them a more formidable opponent in dogfights. For its main armament, it is equipped with a 20mm M61A2 Vulcan that can fire for 112 rounds. It is also equipped with lethal missiles such as the AIM-9 Sidewinder, AIM-7 Sparrow, and AGM-65 ELF. The F-18 Super Hornet, also capable of carrying other heavy destructive munitions, such as JDAM bombs, Mk-80 Unguided Bomb Series, Paveway Laser-Guided Bomb Series, and CBU-78 Gator mine-ready missile systems dropped on targets, is a useful asset for the Ukrainian military in operations. The F-18 Super Hornet is a fourth-generation fighter, first developed and manufactured by McDonnell Douglas Corporation and Boeing in 1978. Over time, this fighter aircraft continues to be developed to be even better. In addition to physical or design improvements, there are also advanced features and the latest model weapons in the next version. Boeing built the Super Hornet to provide maximum protection. This is done by increasing the weapon power of avionics systems. The NAA PG-79 AESA radar system manufactured by Raytheon is a single component that underwent significant changes. They confirmed that this radar system is the best in the world. The F-18 also features a warning receiving radar, RWR, which can detect hazards from considerable distances with the warnings given. Ukrainian pilots were able to prepare themselves to avoid enemy fire. This technology makes the F-18 capable of competing with other stealth aircraft.